Hi, I'm Vincent, and today I'm making fried zucchini and yellow squash. First, I'm going to start cutting up my vegetables. Get rid of these parts, we don't need them. Do the same with yellow squash. Add salt and pepper to taste. Give it a good stir. Crack 2 eggs. Now whisk it. Use half a cup of breadcrumbs. Add Parmesan cheese. Mix in the cheese. This part is fun and messy. My vegetables are coated. Now we're gonna fry them. Add some butter and some avocado oil. Heat that up and we're ready to fry. Oil's ready, let's fry them. These turned out way too good not to share. Vanessa, take a bite and let me know what you think.
It's good. It's crispy on the outside but soft in the middle.
Hey guys, I hope you liked this recipe. See you next time.